behind these walls, the pinnacle of human engineering is born. This is the story of how millions...
It begins with the elements: aerospace-grade titanium and chemically strengthened glass, the foundation of the iPhone's durability.
Each frame is milled from a solid block of metal, ensuring a structure that is both incredibly light and exceptionally strong.
Through a proprietary ion exchange process, we infuse the glass with ceramic crystals, creating the toughest display in the industry.
At this scale, even a speck of dust is an enemy. The camera system is assembled in a clean room environment more sterile than an operating theater.
Every millimeter of internal space is utilized, housing a high-capacity power cell designed for maximum efficiency.
The camera system, a marvel of optics and silicon, is integrated with micron-level accuracy, ensuring every shot is professional grade.
In this final stage of assembly, thousands of components have become one. Every iPhone is now Every display is calibrated to professional standards, ensuring that what you see is as true to life as the world around you.
The A-series chip processes trillions of operations per second, ensuring every pixel in every photo is perfectly rendered.
Precision is not just a goal, it's a requirement. Only the perfect survive the final inspection.
Inside, an array of magnets is aligned with mathematical precision, enabling the seamless connection of the MagSafe ecosystem. Thousands of units every hour, each one a masterpiece of mass production, ready to connect the world. Every bond, every seal, and every thermal connection is verified, ensuring the iPhone performs under any condition.
To a global icons. This of Trifone.